Launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good Lord.
Holy crap, that thing is loud.
Where is it?
It's coming down
There it
right
is.
there. Pop the chute. It's coming straight down and the wind's going to catch it.
Scotty, I got that all the way to the parachute popping.
See it?
Yep.
It's still coming down straight down.
Do you see it, Scott?
It's going behind the car. And it's flipping.
Actually, it might just come right to us.
Oh, that would be awesome.
All right. That was a nice one.
It's going to land back on the launch pad.
That would be cool.
If I zoom in too much, it's too shaky.
See, it's like a 7 spinning. Dad, it's going to come straight down.
It's going to take us 3 hours to untangle.
Dad, it's just coming straight down right behind you.
All right.